Hello, I'm a former artist, and it's time for the art challenge in which you take part in, and it's called Doodle Shapes. Which one are we on? 5. Doodle Shapes 5. So in Doodle Shapes, you've got 1 hour or less to doodle on the shape provided. This time around it was this one, and the challenge lasted about a month. Scroller box. They've been awesome. And they've been watching on social media, and they're going to send the person who's done the best one a scroller box. So what we're going to do is, we're going to see what you turn the shape into, we're going to see who won the scroller box, and then the magic pen's going to come along and draw the next doodle shape for us. So, let's look at your awesome art. Here's the shape, and here's your art you created from it. So many different pieces this time around, and so many different styles and mediums. It's really awesome to see. We had professionals, hobbyists, and families even took part. So many ace pieces of work. Keep up the awesome, folks. Remember, once you've finished your doodle shape, post them on Instagram, Twitter, and all the socials with the hashtag doodle shapes, and tag us in it at 1hour1sketch. That way it's easier for us to find. We've got an awesome community over on the Discord and in the Facebook group. All this information will be in the description below. And if you're a Mixer or Twitch streamer, feel free to take the challenge there too. That's exactly what Melly Bear did, as she created this awesome piece live on stream. As did One Up Girl, and created this amazing perler art. Now perler art's crazy difficult to get done in just 1 hour, so she carried on after the 1 hour was up and created this awesome piece. And guess what? It glows in the dark. Danator also created a piece live on Twitch. Can you guess what this is yet? It's a unicorn! This was great, this one. Feel free to take doodle shapes to your own YouTube channel too. That's exactly what Sakara did, and she created an awesome piece. Here's a sneak peek. There'll be a link in the description below to watch the rest. She's definitely worth subscribing to.
But I was like, okay, let me try to stretch my creativity a little bit and see something else. And so I thought about like, well, okay, maybe it's not the shape that's the thing really, but rather everything around the shape. And that's when I kind of saw that this pointy bit on the shape could actually be like a crack in the volcano.
Do you remember my niece from Doodle Shapes 3? We created our doodle shape live on Twitch, and we ate marshmallows, Mala told some jokes, and we talked a lot about pizza. And if you missed it, don't worry, she'll be back again in one of the later YouTube videos or on Twitch. Here's just a few small highlights.
Go for it, hashtag pizza. If you like pizza, just say hashtag pizza. Hashtag pizza. Yes! Thank you for saying hashtag pizza! What do you call a monster in a phone box?
I don't know what you call a monster in a phone box.
Stuck.
That's really good. This is for the comparison. Okay. I did this one first.
Is the music song?
Oh, just the music on, sorry. What's that? Okay. Okay, the first one I did was this one. I messed up, so I did this one instead, alright? And now look what Mila's done.
What? Okay, this is mine, a human. Now there's another human that I love it.
Look at that! How awesome is that? So it's time to find out which doodle shape roller box announces the winner. Drum roll please. And the winner is... Don't panic, JLA. Well done. Look at this. The reason they liked it was because you could clearly see the shape and they just love the character. Just look at it. Awesome work. So, we'll be sending a scroller box to you shortly. Well done. So, it's time to find out what the next doodle shape's gonna be. Magic pen! Hey, how's it going? What'd you draw the next doodle shape for us? Thanks. Make it really difficult as well. The last one was too easy, I think. Oh. Okay. Okay, bye. It's a circle. This is either going to be really easy or really difficult. Looks can be deceiving. So, do you want to take part in this doodle shape challenge? Here's the rules. The rules are simple. Doodle using the shape provided in 1 hour or less. Share your doodle and tag 1hour1sketch with the hashtag doodle shapes. For more art prompts and challenges, follow at 1hour1sketch on Twitter and Instagram. Come and get involved in the lovely community. Facebook.com/group/1hour1sketch. And there's a Discord group too. All the information will be in the description below. See You've only got 1 month to doodle on the shape. Good luck, folks. Any medium, send them over. Don't forget you can follow me on @aformanartist on all social medias. And also I stream on Twitch too. See you soon. Bye. Yeah.
Bababa.